Hi, this is Bassi. Today we'll do a presence meditation. This meditation is designed to help you cultivate mindfulness and presence of mind in the present moment. Now, find a comfy, quiet spot to sit or lie down. Make sure you will not be disturbed for at least 10 minutes. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths. Breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth, letting go of any stress or worries. Now, with your eyes closed, imagine, think, feel your feet, sense your feet. Imagine a warm, cozy light wrapping around them, making them feel super relaxed. Now let that warm light move up to your legs, making them all comfy too. Keep going up through your body, making everything feel calm and relaxed. The light is entering your thighs, your stomach. It's going up your body, up to your torso, your chest, and going into your arms, down to your fingers, going up your neck, towards your head. It's making you nice and relaxed, nice and relaxed. Everything is feeling calm and relaxed now. Now imagine a beautiful place in your mind. It could be a sunny beach, a quiet forest, or a peaceful park. Picture all the colors, the sounds, the smells. Feel how nice it feels here. You are there now, in this beautiful place, feeling safe and happy. Pay attention to the now, to the present moment, here, now, where you are sitting. You know that you are not really there in that beautiful place. That beautiful place is in your mind, yet you are feeling safe and happy. Pay attention to your breath as you're breathing in and out. Notice how your chest goes up when you breathe in and down when you breathe out. It's like a gentle wave. Next time when you breathe in through your stomach. And as you breathe in, expand your stomach. And breathe out, and let your stomach go. Do this a few more times. Breathe in through your stomach, and breathe out. Breathe in through your stomach, hold, and breathe out. Let's breathe in again, and out. A few more times. Remember that beautiful place in your mind. Remember the colors, the sounds, the smells. Sometimes thoughts will come to you whilst you're doing this exercise. Let the thoughts come and go like clouds in the sky. It's okay. Just bring your focus back to your breath and how you're feeling now, here, in the present moment. Let's say a few affirmations in your head Repeat after me silently. I am here right now. I enjoy this moment. I feel peaceful. I don't worry about later or before. I am thankful for this time. I am here right now. I enjoy this moment. I feel peaceful. I don't worry about later or before. I am thankful for this time. I am here right now. I enjoy this moment. I feel peaceful. I don't worry about later or before. I am thankful for this time. Say these words a few times to yourself. Remember them. Let them make you feel happy and calm. And when you feel happy and calm, let go of these words. Let them just become a memory. Just relax. Now imagine the number 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You are more relaxed, much more relaxed than before. Now we will say the quotations. Just listen to the quotations without judgment and let them go. We must let go of the life we have planned so as to accept the one that is awaiting us. Life is not a problem to be solved, but a mystery to be lived. Follow the path that is no path. Follow your bliss. If the path before you is clear, you're probably on someone else's. Life has no meaning. Each of us has meaning, and will bring it to life. It is a waste to be asking the question when you are the answer. You are more than you think you are. There are dimensions of your being and a potential for realization and consciousness that are not included in your concept of yourself. Your life is much deeper and broader than you conceive it to be here. What you are living is but a fractional inkling of what is really within you, what gives you life, breadth and depth. If you are on the right path, you will find that invisible hands are helping. People forget facts, but they remember stories. Opportunities to find deeper powers within ourselves come when life seems most challenging. The hero's journey always begins with the call. One way or another, our guide must come to say, "Look, you're in sleepy land. Awake, come on a trip." There is a whole aspect of your consciousness, your being, that's not been touched. So you're at home here. Well, that's not enough of you here. And so it starts. The privilege of a lifetime is being who you are. We're not on our journey to save the world, but to save ourselves. But in doing so, you save the world. The influence of a vital person vitalizes. Now that you've heard the quotations, I want you to shift your attention again to the present moment. Remember those words. They are just a memory now. You've heard the words, heard the quotations. Let yourself be. Come back to the present moment. Become aware of the sensations in your body as you're breathing. Again, notice the rise and fall of your stomach and the gentle flow of your breath. Observe any thoughts that come and go without judgment. Let them drift by like clouds in the sky, bringing your focus back to your breath and the sensations in your body. Just let yourself be. Let yourself be. Now imagine what a strawberry feels like. Imagine holding a strawberry in your hand. Red strawberry, a red juicy strawberry. Note the smell and how it feels. Imagine squeezing the strawberry in your hand, and the strawberry has now gone over your hand. Now taste that strawberry. Now imagine an orange. You grab an orange, you feel that orange in your hand. You notice the smell of the orange, and you take a bite of it with the skin. See how it feels, how it tastes. Now do the same with a lemon. You can feel and smell the lemon in your hand. Squeeze it. Let the juice come out. Now as the juice comes out of that lemon, you are tasting it. You're feeling it. You can taste it on your tongue. Now do the same with a bunch of grapes. Grab those grapes. Squeeze them. Let those green grapes be squashed in your hands. Taste them. Feel them. Now, what I want you to do is I want you to feel how holding a cup of soil feels like. Dark soil in your hands. You can smell the soil. Let it go. Let it go. Imagine washing your hands. How does that feel like? Imagine what it feels like standing in your garden with the wind blowing on your face. Imagine what it feels like once you're swimming or you're in the bath with the water surrounding you. Imagine what it feels like with the bright sun shining on your face. Now let yourself go. Be here in the present moment. What you've experienced are just thoughts, memories, ideas. You are not there. You are here in this moment, in the present moment. And what I want you to do now, as we finish, I want you to thank yourself in your heart for this time to relax and feel good. Carry this good feeling with you when you go back to your day. To keep your mind here in the present moment. Keep your breath here and now. Just keep breathing in and out. In and out. You are here right now. You have enjoyed this moment. You feel peaceful. You don't worry about later or before. Only the present moment. You are thankful for this time. Now gently open your eyes. Open your eyes when you're ready. And just sense how you're feeling. May you keep feeling peaceful and present throughout your day. Thank you.